Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password in Deliveroo. Because if you can't log in, the fastest fix is using the forgot password link and having Deliveroo email you a reset link. So you're going to open up your Deliveroo app and you're going to go into the login screen by tapping the person icon in the upper right hand corner. You're going to hit continue. And now you're going to hit send email link. You're going to enter the email address linked to your Deliveroo account and hit continue. Deliveroo will send you a reset email. Make sure you check your spam or junk folder for this email if you don't see it right away. And that is how to reset your password in Deliveroo.